All right, it is September 12th. The weekend is winding down. NFL football is back. Stock market will be back Monday. Let's go over some videos here, some stocks, some updates. Dow finished down 271 on Friday. Nasdaq minus 132. S&P minus 34. Crypto 45,814 is Bitcoin right now. Let's take a look at some stocks. I've done some videos before on these, like EDU. Let's start with that. New Oriental Education and Tech Corp. This has been buried from up at 19, was it near 20, right about 20. From February, March, April, May, June, this went down. Big gap down. There's two levels pretty important here. I mean, it went below us a little bit, 167. Pretty decent amount. If you're, going into pennies, we're talking, so that was about 33 cents. I still like this gap to be filled. 23 fibs at 6. Now, I thought it was going to rise up here. A little bit of pullback here. Stochastic 6 turning down. So, excuse me. So this is going to retest 2. We'll see how this plays out. I still like this, but it could go down first again for another move up. We'll see how this plays out. The weekly, the weekly, you're just buried. You have white over red, very slightly, extreme oversold. So, this could go back and forth a little bit. It can play games with this. Now, it depends on the market, too. The market's is junk, and we start to turn down, even for a month or something, we go down and bounce, like that. These might not work well until that clears up. Monthly, let's look at the monthly here. You have a touch. It's almost touching at 2.28. That's extreme oversold. There's not much downside from here. I don't think this is going into the pennies. I doubt it. It stopped it right here at 2. I mean, this has gone to 1. I mean, is it possible it goes to 1? Yes. So nothing's, definite in swing trading, stock trading. So look for this 2. If that doesn't hold, then watch this go to 175, and we'll see what happens there. That ultimate goal is up here, 250, 3, and then eventually up to 6, a longer term swing on EDU. This is a very big float, 1.47 billion. It was upgraded Morgan Stanley, overweight, 860 to 350. Any news recently? Chinese freezes tutoring firms. Chinese says government to set prices for after-school classes. So nothing new here. I mean, just keep this on watch. Any day, if these Chinese stocks want to be pushed, it's their time to go up. That's what it is. You just don't know. It could go, weeks, month. Eventually, we're going up. What goes down this strong is going to go up. Look at this. From here on the weekly, you're very oversold. I do like this monthly stochastic. See this? Look how right here, you have the big separation, and you're almost touching now, right at, 440. It's at 228 right now. So this is plenty of upside. It's just a matter of where will this stop. Is it going to retest or go through this like 175 level? So we'll see here on EDU. So, the target for me is still 6, the longer term target. Give this gap here, man. This thing is buried, extremely overbought. I mean, extremely oversold. Use my mind here. Extremely oversold here. Look at this. Right here, that's the zone right here. And you have another gap down here that's at 250 level. And let's look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour crossed down a little bit again. It's going down. It's getting very oversold. 2-hour. Now, is it making a new base? See here, 2. Could stop here again, maybe. But we'll see how this plays out on this. Just keep this. You don't have to keep it on directly your list each day, or if you're in it, just watch them levels though. So EDU, pulling back. Looks like pulling back with the market too. The market is very, very weak the last week. It's really, like I said, I call this in the market. So I said that SPY is the very top, and it's going to come back down, and forming an extreme rising wedge. So look for that too. We'll see what happens in futures. If they continue more downside, we will see. Maybe I'll go over to SPY later again. All right, so that's it on EDU. Just keep this, one to your side right now on your list, and we'll see what happens. But longer term, there's no doubt we're hitting. It's just a matter of when. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Alerts. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Cayman Alerts. And TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades. When you hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the algos. I can keep doing these videos. And that's it. Peace.